Okay, welcome back. This is the last of this tiny little series on how to deal with these errors on WordPress and Woocommerce. Now I've got these errors here. The default page are missing because I just rushed through to the quick install. I didn't finish setup. So if you complete the setup, you probably won't get this error. I didn't. So what you do is very simple. Go to Woocommerce, click on status, take a bit of time. Okay, at the top click on tools, and go down to pages, say create default pages, click on create pages, and that's it, we're done. So now if I go back to the main dashboard, okay, the error's gone, and the page is all set up. Go to pages, okay, the cart page is there, checkout page, account page, they're all there. Shop page, that's all fine. I hope you found this little mini series useful. I'm just trying some new videos, do some voiceovers. I'm trying a new setup with a new mic and a new little lamp. I've got a sore throat at the moment, so the quality is not the best, and also I'm a bit of a mumbler. So I'll try and work on that. I'll add subtitles as well, so it's easy to follow along. I've got about 15 to 20 videos lined up. I've got little ideas, quick videos, quick tips on how to improve WordPress and fix little errors. So if you've got any comments, leave them down below. Please like and share, subscribe. I've only got a few subscribers, so a few more would be nice. And hope to see you again next time. Thanks, bye.